Hello, little artists! Join us for fun, colorful drawing and magical adventures. Subscribe for more super cute fun. Enjoy and keep creating!
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to have a splashing good time drawing a cute turtle. Are you ready? Let's get started. You did such an amazing job drawing and coloring this cute turtle. It looks so adorable and fun. Don't forget to show your masterpiece to your family and friends. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our channel for more fun drawing tutorials. See you next time. Bye bye.
Thank you so much for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more fun contents.